Alright, what's going on, guys? So we are going to go hunt the farm this afternoon. I'm pretty excited because we're going to go down the bottom where I had all the doe activity when I was hunting my climber. Pretty excited. And I also had the Big Ten show up in there. And I'm pretty sure he is roaming that bottom there where I'm going to be hunting. I have to go in there and work with the wind a little bit. Not sure where I'm going to be sitting. I got a little fold-out chair that I'm going to bring. And just find some good cover and, yeah, find a good spot. I can barely see the screen with this these sunglasses on because I have one of those screen privacy screens. But anyways, head to the farm. Really excited. Oh man, I hope that 10-point comes walking through. I've had a couple other people walking through there. I caught on trail camera, which they were allowed to be there, but the farmer's stepping on my damn toes. But I can't really control that, so it is what it is. Hopefully I can go in there and snag one of them before somebody else gets them. So we're gonna go down in there, like I said, pop up a fold chair somewhere, some good cover, and hopefully he comes walking through that bottom, because I know there's a lot of activity. But also I'm really trying to get some meat, so if I have a little herd of does come through, I might try to have a couple rounds of the shotgun. I might just let them all rip and try to get a couple of them, but we'll see how it goes. I've been thinking, I don't think I've given anybody a real good rundown of my whole story. I know a lot of people are probably curious, but I'll make a whole video on that, explaining my situation and everything, because I'm kind of just popped up on YouTube and I am who I am. So yeah, I guess I got some explaining to do, and I will. I'm happy to. I'm an open book. Please ask questions, comments. Always, I will respond back to them. But yeah, I will make a video explaining my situation, because we are also about to make some big changes here soon. And we keep changing the plan. And they're all good and they all work. But man, I'll tell you what, the new plan is very, very exciting. So stay tuned and I will make a video explaining more. Anyways, let's go get to the farm. We gotta hurry up, we're late. I also have not shown a good video of the farm I hunt. This is the farm I hunt. I do not hunt over here, but I hunt the backside. I'll show you. I don't really want to, I guess I won't show his house and everything. We are down here. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna keep going too, but I have a perfect wind for this bottom. It's coming right up the bottom. Right into my face. But check it out. That's a ways down there. You see that bridge over there they walk down? Oh my goodness. Okay, we found a spot. I am in the bottom, where I think all the big boys travel. Got the 870. I do not have the best shooting lanes, but since I'm using a shotgun, it's not terrible. A lot of sign, they come up this hill all the time, so I might have them come down right behind me. I have to take a video just like this and see them coming behind me. I'll just turn around, bust them. Maybe I'll bust them with a 10 mil if they do that. Ooh, I feel really good about the night. like I said, if I see a couple does, I'm probably gonna let them have it. Attack. Okay. Wind's coming right out this bottom, right into my face, so we've got a good wind. If I get one to come in at 20 yards, I'm gonna shoot it with the pistol. I'm gonna have to shoot him. We gonna see. See if he makes the wrong move. Big old turkeys. I have to do the turkey hunt over here. He's looking right at me. Or through me. Right through me. I tell you what, if they made the wrong move and come over here, I hit them with that 870, I promise. There's another one coming in. That's a decent one. The one in the front was bigger though. They looked right over here, but they didn't notice me. They better hope they don't come over here on this ridge. Don't make that mistake. Again, I gotta apologize. I'm sorry. I don't know what happened with these videos. I just like keep dead ending them. This is the second one this has happened on, but I do apologize. But anyways, that's it for today. And thank you for watching. Catch you on the next one.